Hey guys, welcome back. Love my bandsaw. I don't love how dark the work area is, especially when I'm trying to saw as closely to a line as possible. Let's see if we can come up with an elegant out-of-the-box solution for less than 10 bucks. So my bandsaw is the Laguna 1412, a very nicely built mid-range level bandsaw. I've had it for about 6 years with no mechanical problems whatsoever. The one gripe I do have about it, aside from dust collection, but that's probably true of all bandsaws, is the lighting. Now Laguna does sell a lamp for this unit that would bolt on right here, but it's about $100, which is a little crazy for a pretty simple light fixture. So what are some of our alternatives? There's no shortage of aftermarket gooseneck lamps that usually stick on with a magnet or you could bolt it on. But in my narrow shop, I just don't want anything sticking out that I'd be bumping into all the time. So I ruled that out pretty quickly. Another alternative would be a battery-powered flashlight with a magnet that you could just stick on and point where you wanted it. But I didn't want anything with a battery because I know without fail, I would leave it on and come back in the morning to a dead battery. So then I thought about LED strip lights, which I have seen people use before, but it always seems a lot more complicated than it needs to be. You have to trim them to length, then you have to bring your own power supply or transformer. It just seemed like a big headache for something so simple. And then while I was Googling, I finally found something that really seemed like it might fit the bill. So this is what I ended up getting. This is sold as a sewing machine light. It's about 12 inches long, the LED portion. Has an adhesive strip along the back, has a power switch in line with everything, and of course a plug at the other end, which I will plug into the free outlet that's on the post of my bandsaw. This was about $8 on Amazon. There are numerous manufacturers of them that range in price from $8 to $20. I didn't know how this was going to work, so I went the cheap route. Let's slap this on and see how it goes. So looking at the underside of the bandsaw, I think I'm going to mount it along this edge of the door. If I were to mount it in this area, I think a lot of the light will be blocked by the guidepost. So putting it here, I think will direct the maximum amount of light on our workpiece. Let's put this on. Not the most advanced installation I've ever undertaken. So we're just going to peel off the backing. And I do like these LEDs because they're covered in this thick rubbery coating. Hopefully that will help with durability. So we just peel off the backing and stick it in place. And they did include about 5 clips to help manage the wires. So I will stick one right here. Here we go. Now the supplied wire is a bit on the long side, so I took 2 of those clips they gave us. I put one there and one there, wrapped the wire around once and brought it around to the outlet. Okay, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see if our 35 seconds of hard work paid off. Boom! Nice little boost of light right where we want it. All right, that's it. A nice quick video for a nice quick project. You can knock out in about 5 minutes for less than 10 bucks. Not every shop upgrade needs to cost a fortune, right? I'll put an affiliate link for this item in the description. It's not sponsored, but if you do purchase it through the link, I will earn a small commission, and I mean really small. So buy like 20 of them. Give it to your neighbors, friends, coworkers, kids, stocking stuffers. Now I'm going to get started on my next project video. It's going to involve a lot of bandsaw work, so if you don't want to miss out, please subscribe. All right, until then, take care, be well.